bonus video. The components you see behind me are what are going to be installed later on this evening. And meeting up with a guy on Kijiji, sounds really bad. He has a motherboard and processor, and part of the deal is for me to install it and then test it, make sure it works. It's kind of like the engine for your vehicle. If you're going to buy an engine, you want to test it out. So behind me I have a B8 CPU cooler, some RAM, and an old video card, well, my best old video card that I have. Let's take a close-up look, maybe do an unboxing of the CPU cooler, because I didn't think it would be that big.
That's what she said. So, the old video card, because I know you guys want to see the processor CPU, is a 512 megabyte NVIDIA card with the dual DVI outputs, and I think that's an S-video output right there. Like, who uses S-video anymore? And this is the GTS edition. You can hook them up in SLI, I believe. Yep, there it is right there. And the card was barely used. As you can see, that's pretty much the original dust. Yeah. And then the RAM that I got for this is the board can handle up to 64 gigabytes. I will never need that. So I just got 2 chips of 8 for a total of 16. Maybe I'll max it out at 32. And this will be my future server in a couple of years. So yeah, that's the Crosshair vintage RAM. It's an LED, it's red. You can see that we have a theme going here. And let's do the unboxing of the CPU cooler, because I know y'all have been waiting for that. So this is the V8 GTS Master Cooler CPU processor cooling fan. It's good for slots 2066 and 1151, which is the slot that I need. It's got something like vapor chamber technology, maximum cooling performance, and 600,000 hours of bearing life. Awesome. This is a giant box, probably mostly padding. 36 dB for decibels, don't really care. And all the other ratings there, don't really care. And doesn't really say all that much that I really want to read out loud. So, let's open this thing up. We got a manual, hardware. Yeah. I knew that was hardware right away. Holy crap. It's huge. That's what she said? Oh my. Like that's my fist. That's massive. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. So whoop, I'm staring at it, I'm not doing the proper thing. Wow. Bad camera guy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so looks like 8 pipes. This thing is massive. The board's not going to be able to handle this. It's got a fan there. It's got a fan there. Okay, that's why I got it, because I saw it had 2 fans. Wow. This thing's nuts. It's gonna be fun. So this is the bonus video for what's coming up. It's bigger than my head.